right, bud? Michael's 9th birthday celebration. Let's see who's here.
Good job, Ashley.
Yeah, I got you. I know you're here. And then there's Aaron, Waldeck, and there's Ryan. There's Ryan. Let's see how he does. All right, Ryan. And then there's Natalie here. And this one over here is Megan. And then his brother and sister, Gabriel and Ashley. Ready. Let's see how you do, buddy. Hold on, let's see how you did. Oh, you got a couple. You get another shot though, bud. Here he goes. Ashley, stay over here. Stay over here. Oh, just a couple more. Take a shot. You got a couple, that's all right. It's all right, you get another shot, Ashley.
Aaron, make it turn.
Hold on, let's see. Oh, she just missed it. Oh, no. Look at Gabe. That all comes with the package. Michael's just got one left. Let's see, can he do it? Oh, no.
Almost had it.
Yes, you did. You did good. Now Gabriel's gonna go. Come on, buddy boy. Look, Gabe. Oh. In a bit. Gabriel, hold on. Watch what it does. I think it's just one.
That
one's done. Yes, soda.
Great. I think I'll subscribe because I love this feeling. And these great kind of Thank you. You're welcome. Sometimes if you burp, it'll come right. Yeah. That's disgusting. Weren't they burped and the soda came in my nose? Ew. Mine has no. Oh, before I burped it burned my nose. Yeah, me too. It burned my ears a little bit. I have more than everywhere. Mom, what if I did straight from blowing? I keep on Happy birthday! Happy birthday! I lost my arm.
Happy birthday, Mike.
I got a mustache.
Happy birthday to you.
All of them, all of them, all of them. Yay! Good job. Yeah, I don't think the sprinklers will go off. Good job. Nice to you. Maybe he should just open them later.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey, Michael. Michael, why don't you just say thank you and then we'll open them later? Because, like, nobody's staying to see.
Well, let me get them.
Oh, nice. Basketball.
You know who it's from, Michael? What?
You read the card. Yeah, it's okay. It's all right, Mike. Go ahead. Give it to Daddy and then start on the next present. Nice. Did you say thank you to Natalie? Excuse me, thank you to Megan. Megan gave it to you. I'm sorry, Megan.
Mrs. Blair always gets mixed up with us too. Bye, Megan.
Well, just
Happy birthday, Michael. Happy birthday, ice cream boy. Oh, Ashley, thank you, Ashley. Ice cream boy. What do you think I am? Ice cream boy. I'm no ice cream boy. You are too. We have
You wanna get this so I can call
You are too. You are too.
to let her know what we're doing.
You are too. You are
We and
too.
he.
Did you like it, Michael? Yeah. Maybe it's a Bobby doll.
Well, she said she'll call and ask Kevin to stay there, so he knows.
It was Bubbles. Ooh! It's like this. Whoa! You like it, Mike? Yes. It's Bubbles. Happy birthday, ice cream boy. Ooh, I don't know what this is, but this sure is big. Look at this one. This one's big. Look at this. What do you call this? What do you call that big? This big. Michael, I am glad it is your birthday today, and that you will have a great birthday. Well, thanks, Dave. Jeffrey, come on, open it up. I will. It's 2 bottles.
Nice.
It's
Here, give it to Mom.
It's water gun blasters.
Give it to Mom.
Michael.
Michael, give it to Mom and then open up another one.
Michael,
Bag.
big. No, this is Aaron's.
Okay.
Let's bring cookies. Let's bring my cookie bag.
Sorry,
Or it might be a bowling ball. Let's bring. How could a bowling ball
We'll see.
Let's bring gingerbread cookies. Gingerbread. What? I think it's a punch buggy.
I think maybe it's a
What's a punch buggy? Michael, this is one. It's big.
maybe it's a
I know. I don't know what that big thing is. Wonder who it's from.
What, Ryan? No, he's right here. It's okay. Set it down. We'll make sure everybody gets there. We'll make sure everybody gets there.
Oh my God! Cool.
Nice.
Which one is it? Which one is it? Oh, Jeffrey has that one.
That's the green one. Get the white one from
Cool.
Easter.
Did you say thank you to Aaron?
That's the green.
Mike? Did you say thank you to Aaron?
That's the white and which one are you gonna
Okay.
put?
We can get these out of the way here.
No.
All right, Michael.
That one. Oh!
Yes, everybody gets one. Not right now, Gabe.
Big.
Well, why don't you do the smaller one first, Michael, because that's on top. There you go.
Oh, that's Nedley. Jeffrey. Everything. Mom, this one's sideways.
It's okay, Gabe.
Muppet. It's Muppet. It's the Muppet Show. Jeffrey, you guy. It's the Muppet Frog. Whatever it is. Kermit. Dear Michael, happy birthday. Hope you have a great year. Your friend Nellie. Thank you, Nellie. You didn't even open my gift yet. I'm a Incredible Hulk.
No, just open it, bud.
It's garbage. Open it up now. It's not garbage. Jeffrey, stop. My sister Joelle, she gives people toilet paper for their present. That's not what it is.
Oh, wow. Check that out.
Wow, Mike.
Nice.
Did you like my card? Ice cream boy? You little ice cream boy.
Well, Dad's here now, so.
You little ice cream girl. How's this?
Gabriel, could you
No,
come
this
right over
one
there,
was
Dad?
the big one. Card
The bag.
first.
The bag.
Card.
Thank you.
Wait, you need to read that.
Ashley, put it down.
Don't get the scissors.
Don't worry about the tape, Mike. Open the card, honey. Attaboy.
This big present. Oh, wait.
You gotta wait and see. Gotta wait and see.
And I don't know. I know. It's a big package. That's what it is. People look at the cards. Others can try, but they can't beat you. Others can try, but they can't beat you. As being terrific and lots of fun too. Happy birthday, love, Ryan Coots. Thank you, love. Thank you, Ryan. Oh, what am I saying? Be careful with that. I was going to say
Be
thank
careful,
you,
Mike. Be
love.
careful.
He said be careful. Be careful.
It's all right. Just rip.
Sticky. It's like garbage stick. Be careful. Get out of my face. He said be careful. Open that part.
Hey, Mike.
Open that part.
See where they're pulling? Go ahead. Pull it.
And so are you. Careful. Really careful. You already did something. We don't know. Be careful doesn't mean keep us in suspense. Just open it.
You're doing fine, Mike. Go ahead.
Just open
on,
it.
Mike.
It must be an alien ship.
We gotta get going, Mike.
Just open it. Ah! Whoa. Okay. This is glue that you put.
Oh. And look at that. He lights up.
Read the directions too. You need to read it.
You can read them later, Mike, okay?
Yeah, thank you, Ryan.
Wow. That's
Now
cool.
open the big one. Open that. Oh no.
Ashley.
Sounds like it's a pot.
Wait. Wait, wait.
The ice cream. Ashley. Ashley, stop it.
Let him do it, Ashley. It's his present.
All of you can help me hold this. That stuff is so good.
Oh, look at that. Awesome.
Oh, what's that?
That's a huge water gun, Mike.
I do.
Take Mom and Dad.
You have to shoot that until whoever shoots it wins.
Let's go. Here we go. Look at me, Mike. Oh, how cute. She's like, what are you doing to me? Okay. We got it. Aw.